Hello Soul Family, welcome to Trupti's Tarot Predictions. This is weekly predictions from 9th of August to 15th of August. As I am recording this video right now, so Lion's Portal Gate has already opened and today is new moon also. This is the best period to manifest things. So today, manifest all your dreams, desires and wishes. So yeah, let's start with the weekly predictions. As you know the format, I'll be pulling 3 cards for your energy towards your person, 3 cards for your person's energy towards you, 3 cards for your mutual relationship energy, 3 cards for your general energy. It may be finances, family, friends, job, career, anything and everything. And at the end, keep one question in mind. At the end, I'll be answering to that question, to that situation. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Oh wow. Okay, what's happening? And yeah, this is not science specific. Okay, as of now I have not started science specific reading, so this is open to all. Okay, open to all the science. Let's see. What's happening? Is it only me? I must say love is in the air. Okay, whom to start with? You? Okay, so yeah, maybe after a long time. Okay, maybe after a long time, after lots of struggle, lots of misunderstandings, maybe you guys were in separation, okay, in no contact situation, or even if there was no contact, even if you are in contact, okay, things were not so smooth in between you. So now all you want to do is sort out all the misunderstandings, whatever was happened in the past. You want to clear that energy. uh, you want to mend the things. You want everything to be perfect. Okay, and you want to move towards in peace. Okay, whatever has happened in the past, you want to get over it. Okay, and that too in positive way. Okay, uh, and yeah, this is not only about see, this is basically partnership, this is basically love, this is basically stability, this is basically moving towards uh, one goal together. Okay, that is what you want. It may or may not be marriage. Okay, but it is definitely a commitment, definitely I will not call it as new beginning. Okay, but yeah, I will call it as a new chapter in your love relationship life. Okay, I will definitely call it as a new chapter. Okay, so you are feeling that love, you are feeling that those emotions, you are feeling that adrenaline rush towards your partner. You want to get over things. Maybe you are missing them if you are guys together. So you are kind of remembering all the good old memories. Okay, and all you want is the stability in life, stability in the relationship. You want to start, you want to just, you might be seeing enough is enough. Okay, let's start over, let's start over. Whatever has happened in the past, let's just get over. Okay, so this is a beautiful energy. Okay, I'll just show you the cards. Okay, so this is the Lovers, the Hierophants and 6 of Wands. So this is basically after a lot of struggle, okay, lot of struggle, lot of misunderstandings, maybe uh, verbal fights, or maybe no contact situation, maybe separation, okay. Now you want to get over things, okay, you want to just end this chapter and start a new one in love, okay. In love you want to start a new chapter, and you want the stability in life. So this is the beautiful manifestation time, this is the beautiful energy of love you are feeling towards your person, okay. I like this. So if you are sending those vibes, okay, I always say this while manifestation, okay, manifesting things, that whatever you send to the universe, whatever you send to others, you will get exactly those vibes or those things back, okay, those emotions. You cannot hate someone, or you cannot have anger towards someone, and you cannot expect that person to love you, okay. But if at all you are sending love, emotions, love, all the good feelings, good vibes, then yes, certainly, okay, certainly all the good vibes and good emotions will come back to you, okay. This is all about manifestation. I'm not saying or telling you, sharing you anything new, okay. This is all about manifestation. So let's see what your partner is showing the energy towards you. So yeah, he or she, your partner, okay, also wants to end this, all the negativity in your relationship, okay. Show you the cards. It's Four of Wands, Ace of Cups, King of Cups. So he's the King of Cups, okay. He will offer you the love, he will offer you the love, he will offer you the marriage, the commitment, the proposal, okay, the stability in your life, and it will bring a new beginning in your life, in your love relationship, okay. So basically, maybe you have initiated this, okay, and they have responded, okay. That might be the case. But since you have initiated this talk, since you have initiated this or maybe you have been giving them hints, or maybe you guys were talking indirectly, okay, or maybe through mutual friends, okay, that maybe you are discussing with your friends and family that now I just want a new beginning, new chapter in my life, with the same person, okay, not with the another person, okay. I personally do not see anyone new coming in your life. I personally do not see. I see, shall we call it as reconciliation? Yes, definitely. Is it a reunion? Yes, it is. Is it were they accepting what they want from you? They want this exactly same thing. They want a new chapter in love relationship life with you, okay. They want a new beginning, new relationship, new kind of energy in your love life, okay. Will they propose you? Yes, it is on the cards, okay. maybe uh, maybe actual marriage, okay, maybe a commitment, okay. But that thing is very strong, okay. The foundation is very strong, okay. That foundation is very strong, and both of you are, I think, now in that energy wherein you wish to understand each other. This is the most beautiful energy wherein you wish to understand each other, wherein you wish to respect each other's feelings, even for that matter differences also, okay. Even for that matter differences also. And you want now, for most of you, I think, even if I personally feel it's a marriage thing, but even if it's not a marriage thing, then at least a commitment, at least a stability in your love life, that is for sure. So yeah, these are the emotions, these are the feelings. But let's see what's happening actually, because whatever happening, Yeah, it is not only in energetic level, but yeah, also in the physical world also. But let's see where you both are heading after this energy. Okay. So it's time. It's time to accept your own feelings. Okay, it's time to accept that you both were wrong. Okay, no harm in accepting our mistakes, right? It's okay. And there is no power game, no power play, nothing. It's just plain simple give and take. Okay, nothing is there. You just want to leave everything behind. Okay, this is your energy, this is your and your person's energy, that now you want to settle down in your energies. Now you want to get stability in your love. Okay, now you want to start a new chapter in love, and for that you just need to settle down certain things. You want equal give and take in the relationship. And yeah, I mean, you guys don't want to again go back to the same level. Okay, wherein there was separation, no contact situation, or I do not see a third party, okay, per se. But yeah, uh, channel messages are telling me that there was a third party situation involved in the past. uh, when I say third party, it is not exactly a person. Okay, it might be you or they were over exhausting, were working too hard. That is the reason maybe you were not able to give each other time, and now you want to shed off that energy. Okay, what was there, and you want to start a new beginning. You want to new, see, a equal give and take. Okay, nothing much, nothing less. Okay, equal give and take, enough is enough. Okay, and let's start let's start a new beginning. I will call it as new chapter. What say, new chapter in love life. Okay, so yeah, with this love, let's start. Let's see what is your general energy. This is all about love. Okay, but let's see what's happening in your finances, family, friends. Okay. My goodness. Bottom of the deck, the sun. All about happiness. Is it because see, the Leo is also there. So yeah, I'm very happy. So in the finance sector, okay, in your job, career, okay, business thing, there is also a new beginning. I don't know what is there, but yeah, it might be a effect. But see, there are three S's in this reading. Okay, Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, and Ace of Pentacles. So this is all about new beginning in each and every sector of your life. Okay, coming back to your general energy. Okay, definitely a new start. It is see, new start does not necessarily mean that tomorrow you will start working with a new company, new job, or you will actually start a new business. No, new start means you are shedding off the old energy. Okay, and starting of something new. Okay, which is beneficial for you in your finances, for your finances. Okay, so yeah, that is there. Another most important thing I want to tell you is, please, please, please listen to your gut feeling. Okay, if you feel something is wrong, then it is absolutely wrong. Okay, if you feel something is right, then it is absolutely right. Please listen to your gut feeling. That is what is called as divine guidance. That is what is called as universal guidance. That is what is called as God is showing you the way. Okay, so please listen to your intuition. Okay, please listen to your gut feeling and follow this. Follow your heart, follow whatever you feel. Okay, please follow this. Okay, so that you will have this. Not only this, you will have this, you will have this also. And all this will lead towards happiness. Okay, so this is the best reading. I think from the time I have started, it's been how many weeks? 3 weeks? Yeah, must be. Yeah, 3 weeks. So this is the best reading till now. Till now. I hope you have thought about one question. Okay, your situation. If not, pause the video. I always tell, stabilize in your energies, deep breathe in, one question in mind. Okay, let's see. May kind angels bless us. Improving health. What else you want in life? Love is there, finances will be great, and along with that, your health is also improving. Okay, so take care of your health. With the COVID situation and everything going on, okay, I think this is most important. And as per the channeled messages I am receiving, okay, this is not about you. Okay, I feel this you must have asked for your husband, okay, your partner, maybe for your mother. Okay, because I'm getting that overwhelming feeling. Okay, so if this is about your mother, okay, take care of her. Okay, if it is all about your husband, kid, okay, take care of them. Their health will improve, don't worry. Angels are blessing them, don't worry. So yeah, this is it. If you have liked it, if you feel this is resonating to your situation, please subscribe my channel, like and share this video. And as usual, do love, do support me. This is something I have newly started, and all your blessings, feedbacks are much appreciated. Okay, thank you so much. Namaste. May God bless you. Thank you.